Wrench has combined an online platform to maintain your fleet and your drivers with ASE-certified technicians who come to you, and the results have been impressive.
Wrench was founded out of the need to take the hassle out of car ownership. And so we've built a logistics platform where a consumer can actually just go online, diagnose their vehicle online, and then immediately schedule for a mechanic to come out to wherever they are to fix their car for them, which took the hassle out of them having to take half a day off work to bring their car into the shop or to the dealer to get everything done. So what we discovered a couple of years in was that, hey, this works great for the consumer side, but it's also a really great fit for the fleet side as well. And we had fleet customers calling us up wanting the service, and we then discovered that there was a huge gap in that market. What you typically find in the fleet world is either a mobile mechanic that goes and can repair your car or your vehicles, or you find some sort of a fleet management software that doesn't have that solution. What's different with Wrench is that we've married the two big needs: an online platform to manage and maintain your vehicles and your fleets and your drivers, along with going that last mile and providing technicians, ASE-certified technicians that actually come to you, rather than just having a list of vendors that our customers can choose from. We actually have some great success stories. I can't share the names, but one customer in particular, we sat down with them to understand how they manage their repair and maintenance currently. And these guys spend $275,000 a month just on repair and maintenance. And a lot of that, it doesn't just go towards repair and maintenance. A lot of that is paying their drivers or their couriers overtime. When a vehicle goes down, they actually have to go rent another vehicle, so there's cost included in that, and they have to pay their drivers to take the vehicle to the shop, wait around, get another driver to pick that driver up, and then also go get the rental vehicle. And so this becomes a tremendous cost for them. The average repair time that our customers leave their vehicles in the shop is 2 days, and what we've been able to do is bring that down to 2 hours, and we go to the customer. So our customers save a significant amount of money. One customer in particular saved $40,000 the first year that they did this with us.